Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix disconnected from Anydesk error if you're facing this on your PC or laptop. So how can you fix that issue? So first of all, as you can see, like I'm not facing currently any kind of issues. So if you are facing any kind of issues, so first step is just close it completely. As you can see, if I close it, so that is still running from the background. Just right click on it with your touchpad or mouse and just click on quit. And if you still want to check, just right click on your taskbar and click open task manager and make sure that it is not running in the background. As you can see, like there is no application related to it running in the background. So let me just reopen it Anydesk. So now as you can see, it is still working fine for me. The second thing that you can try is make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable and it is working properly. So let's say if your Wi-Fi can create a problem for the connection, just click change your Wi-Fi, choose the other network, just make sure to connect to the second network and try to restart your Anydesk as well. So make sure to close it like from the task manager directly. If it is still running the background, just find the application task manager. Let me just find it Anydesk. It is, I don't know, it is running, so let me just find it. As basically this is running in the background, so make sure to find it. If you're not able to find it, you can just close it from here. As you can see, it is automatically closed. So close it, and after that restart your laptop 1 to 2 times as well after these settings, and hopefully your issue will be fixed after that. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that Anydesk disconnection issue.